Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 audio crackling, how to solve sound popping in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Sound Settings. Click Playback tab. Check Show Disabled Devices, also check Show Disconnected Devices. Select your audio device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change to Maximum, click Enhancements tab. Check Disable All Enhancements, click Advanced tab. Select Default Format 1 by 1. Select Best one. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Spatial Sound, turn off Spatial Sound Format. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.